What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to search for people on Rednote. On the upper right hand side, tap the search button, and here you want to type whatever. So let's say I want to look for someone by the name of Peter, right? I can simply type in Peter, hit enter. If you know the exact name of that person, you can simply type it in, hit search. Now if you want to search for users specifically, then you can always type in the full name or just simply hit enter, and you can go to users and you will be able to see all those profiles with the name of Peter, and you can basically follow whosoever you want. So I can go ahead and I can follow someone here, and I can up that, and you can easily follow those persons, right? You can either follow them by simply tapping the word Peter, or you can simply open up the profile and you can do a follow directly. Let's find somebody who I have not yet followed, and here you can see I can tap follow as well. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys. That's how to go ahead and search for users in Rednote.